We're going to demonstrate a few email features now. So in order to do that, we need to have a good amount of exams and proctors assigned to those exams. So we'll go ahead and pick a sample schedule here, which we can just save. There's a proprietary format we have. It's XML based, which doesn't really matter. What matters is that we can save all the exams in a format the program can recognize, and we can pick up where we left off and take a look at what we have. So we can see from this list here that the U.S. History exam has a grading slot assigned, and yet no teachers assigned to that slot. So we can just randomly pick a few of our history teachers. Under faculty, we can choose auto assign. By default, it chooses 3. So if we just hit enter, we get 3 teachers. Maybe we want 3 more or 4 more. And now we have 7 unique history teachers assigned to grade that exam. Although we can't really grade the exam if we've never given the exam, so we probably should choose the location to give the test, maybe assign some proctors to that, maybe assign some other random proctors to that. So when we randomly assign, it's picked from the list of teachers on the left. So if we pick all alpha and then do the auto assign feature, it's going to pick randomly from any member of the faculty, not just social studies teachers. Make the assignment, and we are all set. Now, if we pick a particular teacher, we can take a look at that teacher's assignments. So we have Kofi Annan listed there. We can right-click on him and choose Show Assignment Summary. It gives us a list of assignments. He has a proctoring assignment, and it's a special testing room. He hasn't been given any grading assignments, which maybe we should change. Perhaps he should be grading something. Like any other program, you can copy and paste the name. We can put him into a grading assignment. Maybe instead of Mr. Clinton, Kofi Annan will take that place as well. Make the assignment, makes the change. And now if we were to right-click on Kofi Annan, we should see that assignment show up. He's now assigned to grade the following exams, U.S. History Final. We also can take a look at what the email might look like. And this is the email that will be generated just to him. It's customized. So it tells us a little introductory message here, and we can customize that. And then the generated message follows, and it gives him his proctoring assignments and tells us what his grading assignment is. And we actually could send the mail right to him, or just choose OK. Because probably when we're sending the mail, we're going to be sending mail to everybody at once. But in order to do that, we need to configure a mail server. So by default, we would suggest that this be sent by your local school. And so probably you need to have a network administrator help you with the exact details of how your school is set up. Some schools, for instance, require a username and login password in order to send mail. Really, that would just be any particular person's account. Could be a secretary in the office, could be the assistant principal's account. And some schools don't require that. Anyone can actually just send mail using their mail server. It just depends on how things are configured. We have a test connection button just to make sure things are working, and as soon as you click OK, that mail gets sent to every single member of the faculty, and you can view what would be sent to that faculty member by right-clicking and seeing that. We also generate a text file, so you can view it if you want to see exactly what mails were sent. Nice thing too is if a change is made to the schedule, and maybe it only affects, say, the science teachers, we can right-click on the science teachers and just email that particular department rather than having to send an email to everyone saying, perhaps your assignments are the same, but if you're a science teacher, your assignments are different. We don't have to do that. We can just send emails to the science department alone so they're informed of a change that we had to make.